Updating your billing information on Verizon Connect is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Verizon Connect website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, find the Billing or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is typically located in the Profile or Account Management area. Step 3. Select Update Billing Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new billing details. Fill in the required fields with your new billing information, such as credit card details or bank account information. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your billing details have been updated successfully. Now you have successfully updated your billing information on Verizon Connect. Regularly check your account to ensure everything remains accurate and up to date.